Hello, let's continue studying the Bible. And please, students of the All Nations Seminary, always take note, have a notebook, and have your personal study about the coming of Christ, the book of Revelation and Daniel. Please have your notebook now. And then, all senior pastors, those who have training, there are many teachings, faith, prosperity and mission, soul winning. I know all of them, but I choose, the Lord spoke to me about this teaching so that we can prepare ourselves for especially the great judgment, wrath, and anger of God during the reign of Antichrist. Now, our topic now is about the book of Revelation that we should study. Do not believe other people. Mingon sila mag-study ng book of Revelation kaya makabuang. Those are symbols. Some said, humanana is a fulfilled book. It's a lie of the enemy. Revelation 1 chapter 1 verse 3. Please read it. Bulahan ka itong nagbasa ni ining book of Revelation. Bulahan ka if you are reading and studying this book. Iban-igid na. Among kalimot, wala paninahuman ang book of Revelation. This was written 96 AD by John the Beloved in the island of Patmos. And it is the story about his time. And then chapter 2 and 3 about the church. And then chapter 4, church is in heaven. Chapter 5, together with John, the church is raptured in heaven. And chapter 6 is the entrance of the world leader dictator, Antichrist. And the great tribulation period of chapter 6 to chapter 19. Okay? If you will study the book of Revelation, not complicated, madali lang. So, Revelation chapter 1 verse 3 and then Revelation chapter 22, the importance of studying the book of Revelation. Yaman inyo na ayaw mo katingalaan ng unsa ng mga nag-away, sungay, unsa ka na, akong explain unya, unsa ka ng Revelation 6:2, the rider of the white horse, dili na si Jesus, world dictator na nagplano sa pag-ubas kalibutan, pero gwapo ilang plano sa United Nations. Antichrist na dili na si Jesus. Si Jesus to us sa Revelation chapter 19. Pagguba niya sa mga superpower nations. Now, Revelation chapter 22 verse, verse 18 and 19. Pasada, Jesus said, I testify the words of the prophecy of this book. Si Jesus mismo nag-testify nga ang book of Revelation are true. Kung kinsa daw kung itong mo dugang sa nasulat niya, madungagan ang hampak sa iyong kinabuhi. Isuon, bisag born again ka na niya, magdungang-dungang ka, patagkagkag, dugang-dungang sa gawa niya sa Bible. Mahampakan ka, plagues. Kulangan po di mo, mingon po ka nga, wa na'y rapture, humana ng Revelation, delikado ka, wala ay mungalan sa Book of Life, iyang ipanas. No part of the Book of Life and no part of the Holy City. That's the heaven. Di ka malangit, so bante mo ng mga tao nga born again, Christian, preacher, o niya di na mo tuog Book of Revelation. Di yun nakasalog langit, liars man na. False witness man na. Against man na sa Ten Commandments chapter 9. They teach lies, false witnessing. So, diyan na nagutama na, study the book of Revelation ko akong verses. Naninainan nyo na sa inyong mga tao. Hapit na si Jesus. Nag-ingon akong chat video, argue mi gamay sa mga points. Karon daw ko nung April 2025 na ay mag-rapture ang 144,000 Diyo. Ingol ko, uy, kami man na. Siya wa mo'y labot na kay 144,000 na. Ingon na siya nga, karon daw April 2025 na ay 3 days darkness. Tanaw na to. Basta kayo maingon ko ninyo, wala pa magsugod ang 7 years, the last 7 years, Great Tribulation period. Ang uban mingon, ang last, nanadakunot na karon sa ika-5th trumpet. No. Imanin ninyo ni, ang rapture, kanang ingon niya, the last trump. Wala na labot sa 7 trumpets of the book of Revelation. It's another trumpet call for the bride. Kaya lain magod ang trumpet sa unang panahon. Na trumpeta para sa gubat, na ipag-gather sa mga leaders lang, lain-lain ng meaning. So ang last trump sa 1 Thessalonians 4:16, wa na labot sa trumpet, sa 7 trumpets of Revelation. 7 trumpets of Revelation. Okay na. Study the book of Revelation with me. Please, I mong kaulaw, write me, give me a message on my messenger, ask question. Ano lang, debate ka, ayaw na lang. Bright naman ka, imo naman. Paghimong-imo. Kay kining among study, 40 ka tuwing nakuha ni Kapin. Kabaw na kung ano, pre-trib, mid-trib, post-trib, pre-terrorist, amillennialism. Na-studian ko na dispensationalism. Niya nagkakaroon sa final conclusion of the teaching. Kung hapit na rapture, hapit na wrath of God, hapit na Antichrist, niya pa. Hindi pwede walay third temple sa Jerusalem. Coming. Kini pagdaog ni Trump, sikreto na, maura ni Presidente, concerned kayo sa Jerusalem. Pasensya na ang gamiton pagtukod sa third temple. Tobi og siya, unsa man, let us study the book of Revelation. God bless and please study and pray. Dayon, bag-og yung kinabuhi ngalan. Di pwede misyoso, immoral, idolaters, di kasunod sa langit. Bisag singig simba ba niya, hatag ka niya. Di pwede. Stricto ang langit. Walay makasunod ka makakon. Bye. Study the Bible in the book of Revelation.